During a cultural exchange event with the United Arab Emirates, there was a deeply moving moment. The First Lady of Korea was seen shedding tears when soprano Jo Sumi sang the Korean art song Longing for Kumgangsan. You may or may not know, but Mount Kumgang is currently located in North Korea. While both South and North Korea have many mountains, Mount Kumgang is considered the most beautiful of them all. Yet we cannot see Mount Kumgang now because we are in a state of armistice. This song expresses the heartbreaking longing to visit a place we cannot go to or see. It also carries the earnest wish for reunification to come soon. Because of this painful reality, South Koreans find this song deeply saddening. That is likely why the First Lady was overcome with sorrow and shed tears. Today, let's take some time to sing along together and explore the meaning of this beautiful song.